What if I told you could create a professional-looking presentation in just 60 seconds? No PowerPoint struggles. No design headaches. Thanks to AI presentation makers, that's now totally possible, and the results look like you hired a pro designer. Whether you need a school project, business pitch, or client deck, AI can generate slides, visuals, and even talking points instantly. You just type your topic, and boom, the AI does everything: layout, design, text, and even color themes. Let's talk about how it works. AI tools like Tome.app, Gamma.app, and Beautiful.ai use advanced algorithms to turn your prompt into a complete presentation. For example, type, "Create a 10-slide presentation about the future of AI." Within seconds, you'll have slides with clean layouts, matching icons, and relevant text. You can tweak the tone, add your own branding, or instantly convert it into a shareable link. Some tools even generate AI images, transitions, and voice narration, making your deck feel like it was built by a full creative team, but done in under a minute. This is a game changer for students, entrepreneurs, and marketers. Instead of spending hours designing slides, you can now focus on the content that truly matters: your message. And since most tools sync online, you can edit from anywhere, anytime. So next time you're short on time but need to impress, let AI build your presentation while you grab a coffee. Try Tome, Gamma, or Beautiful.ai and see how effortless presentation design can be in 2025. Because the future of productivity isn't about working harder. It's about letting AI do the work beautifully. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.